Have you ever wondered where your AWS server actually runs? When you launch an EC2 instance, it's not floating somewhere in the cloud. It runs inside a real physical data center located somewhere in the world. And today I will explain how AWS organizes these locations using regions and availability zones. Let's break it down simply. An AWS region is just a geographic location. For example, Mumbai, Frankfurt, North Virginia. Each region is completely independent from the others. So, if something happens in one region, it doesn't automatically affect another. AWS places regions around the world to reduce latency and serve users faster. Simple, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Inside every region, AWS has multiple availability zones, also called AJETs. An availability zone is basically a separate data center. Each one has its own power supply, cooling, and networking, and they are physically isolated from each other, but they are connected with superfast private networking. Think of it like this: a region is like a city. Availability zones are different buildings inside that city. If one building loses power, the other buildings keep working. That's exactly how AWS designs its infrastructure. Now imagine you deploy your application in only one availability zone. If that data center fails, your entire app goes down. Not good. But if you deploy across two or more availability zones, AWS automatically distributes traffic. If one asset fails, the other keeps running. Your users won't even notice. That's called high availability. Let's say AZ1 crashes. Traffic immediately shifts to AZ2. No downtime, no panic. This is called fault tolerance. And this is why production applications always use multiple availability zones. Now, let's think bigger. What if an entire region goes down? AWS regions are isolated from each other. So, if Mumbai region has an issue, Frankfurt won't be affected. Large companies deploy applications in multiple regions for disaster recovery. That's next level protection. So, let's summarize. Region is geographic location. Availability zone is multiple isolated data centers inside the location. Regions provide global separation. Availability zones provide high availability, and together they make AWS reliable, scalable, and powerful. And that's the foundation of how AWS infrastructure is organized. In the next videos, we will explore more AWS services step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.